And the second best debater today we have, it has been our unanimous decision that contestant number 8, Ms. Botono Kero from Southern Angami students. And the first, I'm sure you all must have guessed, he was like a member actually, acted almost like a stand-up comedian, but he has entertained us and he has presented his points very beautifully. And so, I'm proud to declare I think I got a spelling wrong, correct me if I'm mistaken, but Natozo Hizo of Southern Angami.
今俄国效力不第三世界条例了，Natozo Hizo, representing the Southern Angami Students Union.
Good afternoon, dear critic, board of jury, chairperson, and dearly beloved. And Gujarat is one of the most advanced countries because Narendra Modi Prime Minister is from Gujarat. And unemployment among the youth, 20 lakh people are employed by alcohol generating industries, as reported by Confederation of Indian Alcoholic Beverage. Thank you.
今年，以户籍毕业的时候呢，debater cannot hold. Opposition bench against the motions. Votes on the will. To go to surely the peaceful level for Southern Angami Students Union representative for what?
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected hosts, critics, judges, and all the audience present. My name is Baton Rhükewa, representing the Southern Angami Students Union. I'll be speaking against the motion on the topic, is it time to lift the NLTP Act? NLTP Act, to begin with, it is Nagaland Liquor Total Prohibition Act 1989. It is the implementation for the prohibition of possession, consumption, manufacture of liquor, both import and export in the state of Nagaland. Alcohol is causing a lot of premature death, not only in India but all over the world. Thus, I also believe that this NLTP Act is saving many Nagas from premature death.